Who's there? Oh, well, hello, Blood. Have you captured those birds yet? Actually, Master, I'm also interested in your story. Ah, you're asking about that, aren't you? Well, if you want to know, it wasn't that much of a good. It wasn't really much of a good childhood life. It was pretty much a dumb life.
Everyone projecting all the dreams on me. A million life plans of what they want me to be. Saying give a little, give a little, give a little, give a little. Piece by piece I'm slipping away. Hey, be kind, be patient, be hard to please. It seems contradicting, but do it honestly. Just give a little, give a little, give a little, give a little until you disintegrate. Put your hands up if you've lied awake at 3 a.m. Promising yourself all the things that you think that you'll never do again. Put your hands up if you have a dream of running away. Somewhere you can get a little wild for a night and the next day no one remembers your name. Put your hands up if you've been manipulated by the masses, by the people who just want to complicate you, about the ones who only want to see you crash and burn. Well, tell me honestly, the things that you yearn for. Do you want the voices to start spinning out of your head, making your mind go pop? Can I get an amen? Why don't you forget it and dance till you drop? 3, 2, 1. Hypocrites with slivers in their eyes. I'll scream that I'm sick of it. I can't see the beams in mine. Obscene expectations is the most toxic form of pride. So why should I deserve to do more with my life? Everyone projecting all the dreams on me. A million life plans of what they want me to be. Saying give a little, give a little, give a little, give a little. Piece by piece I'm slipping away. Hey. Be kind, be patient, be hard to please. It seems contradicting, but do it honestly. Just give a little, give a little, give a little, give a little until you disintegrate.
And that's the end of my story. I didn't have that much loving parents. A lot of birds hated me in the village. But at least I got some interesting friends. Some bad friends indeed. Everyone told me to just give a little stuff. What did you think, my dear assassin? I would say it wasn't that bad. But I'm pretty sure we'll get this soon. This thing will be fun. Now go on and go get those birds for me. It's important. Good luck and have a good day. Okay, which one is almost ready? Let's see. Oh, hang on a second. There we go. I'm gonna have to figure out which one to get out.